Okay, today we're going to get started in Chapter 8. And in Chapter 8, we're going to talk about polygons, specifically quadrilaterals. Alright, one thing I want to go over, just a reminder, a diagonal is a segment that connects two non-consecutive vertices. The first main theorem we're going to talk about is called the sum of the interior angles of a polygon. And what it is n minus 2 times 180, where n is equal to the number of sides or the number of angles. Okay, because that would be the same. Alright? So, example 1, or let's back up. Corollary to the interior angle theorem, if you have a quadrilateral, remember quadrilateral n is equal to 4. So if we plugged it into our formula, 4 minus 2 times 180 is going to give us 2 times 180, which is 360. So any four-sided figure, its sum of the interior angles is 360 degrees. Alright? Let's go ahead and do our first problem. Find the sum of the measures of the interior angles of a convex hexagon. That means n is going to be equal to 6. So if I plug it in, n minus 2 times 180, this is going to equal my sum. Okay? So 6 minus 2 times 180 gives us 4 times 180, which is equal to 720, is equal to my sum of my interior angle. Okay? Alright, example 2 says the sum of the measures of the interior angles of a convex polygon is 1,260. Classify this by the polygon by the number of sides. So this time they're giving us the sum and we want to find what n is. Still same formula, n minus 2 times 180 is equal to our sum. And in this problem our sum is 1,260. The first thing I'm going to do is divide by 180. And that gives me n minus 2 is equal to 7. When I add 2, I get n is equal to 9. That means that it is a nonagon. Alright, example 3. This is a quadrilateral, so its sum is 360. So here you would just say x plus 71 plus 112 plus 135 is equal to 360. Okay? Add them up and, of course, solve. All right? Okay. Next thing that we're going to talk about is your exterior angles. You have your exterior angles. Your sum of any exterior angles, no matter how many you have, its sum is going to be 360. Okay? So again, example 4, its sum over here is 360 degrees. So again, you would say x plus 89 plus 2x plus 85 is equal to 360. And you would solve for x. Okay? Example 5, our last example, says the base of a lamp is in the shape of a regular 15-gon. So that means n is equal to 15. It is regular, so that means all the sides and all the angles are congruent. It says find the measure of each interior angle and then find the measure of each exterior angle. The only thing you know about the interior angle is your sum. The sum of the interior angles is equal to n minus 2 times 180. So when we plug in, we have 15 minus 2 times 180. 13 times 180 gives us, what? 2,340. Okay, that's equal to the sum. But the question's asking for each interior angle. So if we divide it by 15, by the number of sides, remember it's regular, all of them are congruent, that gives me 156. Okay, that's each interior angle. Alright? To find the exterior angle, 2 ways I could do it. Remember your sum is 360. Okay? No matter what sides it has. If I divide it by 15, this is going to give me 24 degrees. So each exterior angle measures 24 degrees. I also want you to keep in mind that your interior and exterior angles form a linear pair. So if you know each interior angle, you could say 180 minus 156 and still get 24 degrees. All right? And that is the lesson for today.